Get the fire all stoked up. I'm sitting here and a little bit ago, and I heard voices, and I was like, someone out here? Usually I hear noises, but it was a distinctive voice, so I was like, so I went out to the car, I went out to the other site, the site by the road, and there's a woman in the woods picking up firewood. She's like, oh, sorry. I'm like, nah. It's cool. Just don't come back out here. So, yeah, it's like 7:15, I think, 7:20. Come at that point in the evening where I'm just trying to slow down as much as possible, not work up a sweat, because I don't want to crawl into my bedding all sweaty. Kind of wish I'd brought a change of shirt, but I was only going to be out here for the night. So I was like, ah, screw it. I don't care if I'm all sweaty. I was walking around camp earlier, kind of just, you know, letting my mind wander, thinking about what I wanted to do here. And, you know, I'm definitely gonna, you know, I mean, this bucket that I brought, I'm definitely gonna be, I'm gonna bring it back. But what I want to do is I want to leave a little cache out here, or cache, whatever you call it, and just kind of stash the bucket with some few things in it. Probably nothing too major. Maybe a like a pair of tongs for the fireplace. I'm gonna leave that grill out here. Probably no blades or anything sharp. No food, because I don't want the smell, scent attracting animals. Just, I might give some of that camouflage duct tape, that cheap stuff, and just go around the bucket, and then the handle and the wire part. Maybe. And that way I can kind of conceal the bucket. I don't care if the lid is black. I don't think that's going to matter too much. And then just stash that out here somewhere. Probably not close to camp, but not so far I have to go trekking, you know, a really long way to get to it. Yeah, just a few items. Oh yeah. I should take a swig of my 1 liter thing. I hadn't washed it out prior, but probably it's got that strong, and I just ripped the tab. Damn. Yeah, it's got that plasticky taste, but it's not so bad. You gotta make sure you hydrate, so. I might leave this out here in the bucket, so. I mean, it's only $3. I'm gonna take the carabiner off probably, but. So. Good times. Real good times. I almost didn't come out because I woke up and I was so tired. I was like, ugh. But I went ahead and got up, made breakfast, started, you know, waking up and feeling better. I'm like, all right, let's go do it. Let's get on it. Uploaded new videos for tomorrow and the next day. So I got today's video was the table, actually. Then I uploaded a morale video. And then part 2 of the hammock overnighter. So, hope you guys are enjoying the videos. You gotta enjoy the fire and chill. Alright. Thought I would lay down and do sort of a test lay. I haven't done that yet. packing stuff in, but Bill's not bad. That's not terrible. It's not terrible. Covers most of my body. See what she does overnight. So hey, kind of just checking in. I haven't really been doing anything significant for like a while. It's currently 8:42. Finally got everything pushed into the center of the fire, so I guess I could show you. But yeah, I barely touched this pile here other than the initial fire starting, and I'm throwing just a few things on, but I haven't even gotten to those big ones behind. I don't know if I'll even put them on, because it should be warm. I should be warm enough in the bed to not need to have fire going. I'm not really worried about wild animals. I mean, I am, but I'm not really. Hoping they'll just stay away, and you know, you do you, and I'll do me. So I might just let the fire burn out. I'll probably go to bed here at some point soon. You know, hopefully sleep, because sometimes I don't sleep when I camp. Like, I can't fall asleep. But I'm feeling pretty tired, so it might happen. Or I'll lay awake all night like last time. We'll see. I guess I'll call it a night. So have a good night, one and all, and we'll see you in the morning.